Let's compare the Anker car charger to the Anker quick charge USB wall charger. So both of these are from Anker. Both of them are fast chargers. They're going to charge up your Android phone or iPhone or any device very quickly. They can source a lot of current, which is great. The Anker charger, though, is designed for use in the car. So you're going to plug this into your accessory socket in the car. It's going to create a large USB port and a smaller USB port, and then you can plug a cable in. You'll have to supply your own cable and plug in your iPhone or Android phone or tablet or any other device. With the Anker wall charger, similar thing, but you're going to plug it into the wall at home. It does have this little folding plug, which is nice if you're traveling, and it's going to have just one large USB port. So this is sort of for a single device. And again, with both of them, you're going to have to supply the cable. I like to use the Anker quick charge USB charger at home, and I like to charge bigger things with it. Like I can use this to charge a full-size iPad very quickly. With the Anker car charger, again, great charger, also from Anker, but I find it's great for like topping up your iPhone when you're driving, you're charging up the device if it's low on power before your next stop. Great for a road trip, for example. With this Anker charger. Both are really great chargers from Anker. It's just, again, home versus car for the most part.